Ready to transform your real estate business from surviving to thriving? We're diving into Kvcore's powerhouse marketing features to attract prospects, nurture leads, and close more deals faster. First up, let's talk email campaigns. Navigate to the Marketing tab on your Kvcore dashboard here. You can craft personalized emails that resonate with your audience. Use dynamic content to tailor messages based on lead behavior, ensuring every email feels like a one-on-one conversation. Next, supercharge your lead generation. Kvcore offers customizable landing pages and smart numbers, giving you the tools to capture leads from various sources. Create targeted landing pages for specific property types or neighborhoods and track where your leads are coming from using smart numbers. Now, let's automate your follow-up with Kvcore's robust automation workflows. Set triggers based on lead activity, like a new property view or website visit, and automate follow-up emails, texts, and even tasks for yourself. This ensures no lead slips through the cracks. Data is your secret weapon, so dive into Kvcore's analytics to track your marketing performance. See which campaigns are driving the most leads, which lead sources are converting at the highest rate, and optimize your strategies for maximum impact. Knowledge is power. By monitoring key metrics such as open rates, click-through rates, and conversion rates, you can identify what resonates with your audience and refine your approach accordingly. Kvcore empowers you to work smarter, not harder. By leveraging its email campaigns, lead generation, automation workflows, and analytics, you'll attract more prospects, nurture them effectively, and convert them into satisfied clients. Start using Kvcore to elevate your marketing game and watch your business soar. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more real estate tips and tricks.